Hi guys, I did a video on suction hooks that I'd bought. I bought some from Home Bargains quite a while ago, which were excellent. I used them on my security camera bracket that is stuck to a window in the other room. I wanted to replicate it with this bracket that I could put an action camera on top. So I bought some more suckers that looked similar, bought them from Tesco, and they were useless. They were falling off the window almost as quickly as I was putting them on. Then I bought some more from B&M Bargains, which looked identical to the Tesco ones. These are the B&M Bargain ones. And they were falling off almost as quickly as the Tesco ones. But from the pack, I eventually found these three that seemed to stick. It was a pack of, I don't know, 10 I think, or something like that, 8 or 10. These have been here for about a week, but that one has come loose. The other two have stayed, but that one's come loose. I'll push it back on again and it'll probably stay there for a while. Anyway, in the meantime, Poundland is selling these for Christmas, for hanging up your Christmas decorations. They're much smaller and I don't expect them to be any good, but being as they were only £1 for a pack of 20, I thought I'd give them a try. If I can get them out of the packet. So, put them there, and I'll just show you what else I want to do. Right, by way of a test, I've got a bolt. Let's have a look. That one is 112 grams. That's pretty heavy. Yeah, 112 grams. And an old lead fishing weight, 145 grams. So 145, 112. Convert that to ounces for those people who like old measurements. That one's 3.9 ounces. And that one's 5 ounces. So obviously what I'm going to do is hang these from a couple of these suckers. I'm not actually going to hang them from the glass. I'll hang them from the plastic, just in case they happen to bounce down and actually hit the glass. I don't know if these have actually got a weight limit on them. No, it doesn't give you a weight limit. But I wouldn't think for 1 minute they're designed for carrying those sort of weights. Right, we will leave them. I suppose I could put a time-lapse camera on them. But I tried that with the other stuff. And had a time-lapse of about 12 hours with nothing happening. So, I don't know if it's worth putting a time-lapse on it or not. I suppose I could do. Just for my reference, but I don't think there'll be any point in you watching it. It'll give me a timestamp of when they actually fall off. Right, I've set the time lapse up. I'll put a few extras sticking on the glass. Then we got the two with weights on them, time-lapse camera, and I've also put a light down there that will turn itself on when it gets dark, so we do actually get them illuminated at night. And we'll see how long they last for. The only thing is we can't let this run for too long, because today is Christmas Eve, the 24th of December, and we'll have people here tomorrow on Christmas Day, 25th. So if they don't fall off overnight, we'll have to start it again another day. Well, I left the time-lapse running. It's Boxing Day today, the 26th of December. I left it there all through Christmas Day and nothing has moved, so that time-lapse is a waste of time. None of them have fallen off. Yeah, I think I'll give up this time-lapse because I want that camera for something else now anyway. So we've gone for, what's that, 2 days and nothing has moved. So that'll do, I think. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.